Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to find the derivative of a function that involves a natural logarithm. Let's begin. For example 3, we have g of p is equal to 2 times p raised to the 5/2 power plus p minus 2, all divided by the natural log of p. Since g is a rational function, we are going to use the quotient rule to find the derivative. So I'm going to let u equal the numerator, and I'm going to let v equal the denominator. The derivative of u is 5p raised to the 3/2 power plus 1, and the derivative of v is 1 divided by p. The derivative of g is equal to the derivative of u times v minus u times the derivative of p, all divided by v squared. So the derivative of g will look like this. Now we do not want the 1 divided by p in the numerator, because that will be a fraction within a fraction. To clear this fraction, I'm going to multiply both terms in the numerator by p. However, if I did that, this function will no longer be the derivative of g. It will be a completely different function. To avoid that, I'm also going to multiply the denominator by p. And notice if we multiply the numerator and the denominator by p, we are actually multiplying the entire function by 1. And if we multiply this entire function by 1, we are not changing the fact that this function is still the derivative of g. So after you multiply the numerator and the denominator by p, you will get this. Now all that's left to do is to distribute the p in the first term and remove the 1 in the second term. So the derivative of g will look like this. Now at this point, it would be very tempting to cancel out a natural log of p in the numerator with one of the natural log of p factors in the denominator. However, the natural log of p is not a common factor in the numerator and the denominator because the natural log of p does not appear in the second term in the numerator. This means you cannot cancel out any natural log of p's from this derivative. And we are done.